Here we have a 2019 GT350 and we just finished installing a Whipple Supercharger kit. Naturally, we gotta throw this thing on the rollers and see exactly how much it puts to the wheels. Let's find out. All right, now that's a serious amount of horsepower, especially for a GT350 stock. We're looking at 468 horsepower with a jump to 716, and that's with the Whipple GT350 tune right out of the box. It's 50 state legal and you really can't beat it. This car still has factory cats on it, regular exhaust, and frankly, it is absolutely ready to rip up the street. Well, until the customer probably brings it back because he's got tons of wheel spin thanks to all that power. So naturally, we're gonna have to add a Steeda stop to hop kit to get that wheel hop under control, get a little bit more traction in the rear, but holy crap, that is a lot of horsepower for this 350. Comment below, let us know your thoughts. What would you do with this GT350 and a Whipple in your driveway, road race, drag race, you name it, let us know. Hit that like and subscribe, that notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.